Hey guys, Pemmitt here. Today we're gonna cook peas and carrots in the dishwasher. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so as you saw, I put the peas in a plastic bag, sandwich bag, and then I washed the carrots, put those in. I put wrap around it, and then I put it into another big sandwich bag. I'm getting kind of nervous about this, but I'm gonna throw them in now and start the load. They're nice and they're toasty. Made the mistake of not peeling the carrots. I washed them, but I didn't peel them, so that's why they look like that. But still, they're nice and warm too. And let's try them out. Oh yeah, they're still crunchy, but good.
Can you taste that they were in a dishwasher?
No, you wouldn't know. Mmm.
This is a riveting video watching you chew your food.
They taste like normal peas. The point of that actually is already running the dishwasher. There's heat coming out of it, so why not cook something in there? And I wouldn't risk putting beef in there or any sort of meat because I like it really cooked. But vegetables. I'd seen a clip of it on Loose Women and thought, you know what? I'll give it a shot. I'll say yes to that. Again, so glad I said yes to that. So guys, continue to be safe and say yes to something new. I just said food come flying out of my mouth.